Sceptre monitors manufactured after 2020 include a hardware-level crosshair overlay feature that provides a consistent aiming point across all games, especially useful in titles without built-in crosshairs. To activate this feature, first locate the OSD buttons on your Sceptre monitor. These are typically found on the bottom right or back panel of the monitor. Press the menu button to open the main OSD interface. You'll see various system settings and options displayed on your screen. Navigate through the OSD menu using the directional buttons to find the Gaming or Game Mode section. This is where the crosshair settings are located. In the Gaming section, select Crosshair or Reticle from the available options. You'll then be able to choose from different crosshair styles such as dot, cross, or circle. Some newer Sceptre models offer quick access through a dedicated gaming button or hotkey combination, making activation even faster. Once you've selected your preferred crosshair style, confirm your choice and exit the menu. The crosshair overlay will now be active and visible on your screen during gameplay. To get the most out of your crosshair, proper optimization is essential. The key factors are color selection, size adjustment, and choosing the right style for your gaming needs. Color selection is critical for visibility. Red, green, and cyan provide excellent contrast against most game backgrounds. Avoid colors that might blend with common game environments. Size matters for accuracy. Start with a medium size and adjust based on your preference and game type. Smaller crosshairs offer more precision, while larger ones provide better visibility. Style selection depends on your gaming genre. Dot crosshairs excel in FPS games for precision aiming, while standard cross patterns work well for general gaming and provide better area coverage. If your crosshair isn't appearing or working properly, there are several common solutions. Most issues stem from incorrect settings or compatibility problems. First, ensure gaming mode is enabled in your monitor's OSD menu. The crosshair feature is typically only available when gaming mode is active. Second, check if your crosshair color is blending with the game background. Switch to a contrasting color like red or cyan for better visibility. Third, verify that your monitor firmware is up to date. Newer firmware versions often include crosshair improvements and bug fixes. Finally, if problems persist, try resetting your OSD settings to default. This resolves most configuration conflicts and restores proper crosshair functionality. Hardware-based crosshairs offer significant advantages for competitive gaming. They provide zero FPS impact since they're processed by the monitor, not your graphics card. The minimal input lag of just 1 to 2 milliseconds is negligible for most gaming scenarios, while the consistent aiming reference provides a measurable advantage in competitive play.